So how do you even begin to get your head around a country with over 8 billion people, a place with thousands of years of history, countless cultures all living side by side? I mean, it's a huge question, right? And today, we're going to dig into a really fascinating way to start finding some answers.
Okay, look at this. On the left, you've got this ancient Indian idea of the world, the seven dweepas. It's not about borders. It's a mythological, almost spiritual map. And then, bam, on the right, you see a modern political map, super precise, all about borders. The journey from that spiritual world to this political one, well, that's pretty much the story we're diving into.
So yeah, that brings us right to the heart of it. The big question for this explainer. In a nation with literally a billion stories,